Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to create a poster like this in Canva. So first of all, click on create our design, and after that search here YouTube thumbnail, because we have to take a YouTube thumbnail page. So click on the first one. Wait a second. So YouTube thumbnail page is open. Click on elements and search here. You can take any background, but I am choosing mountains. So go on photos and click on any picture that you like. Like I am clicking on this picture. Replace, set this as in background of image. Now search here 3D liquid transparent modular block. After searching, wait a second for result. And now go on graphics and take this circle. Click on this and now go back, go on frames and select this circle frame. Adjust this by your circle and now again this. And now again search here mountains and choose the same picture and add this in your frame. And now adjust this. Okay, so I have adjusted. Now go on 3 dot on layer and send backward. Okay, so after that click on background and then click on edit image, go on blur whole image and increase to 24 and do a transparency low. After that go on elements and right here wood surface. Left this one and adjust this. Okay, so after adjusting you can adjust the size and search here shadow and click on the first one and use this as a shadow. Duplicate this and after that click on that one again and increase the size and use this as a big shadow. And after that you have to delete first one and now go on elements and search here light and you can choose any light that you like I am choosing this one. And now adjust this on the corner okay. Increase the size and now this is ready. You can download this and subscribe to learn more about Canva.